You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Cabo, met that girl in Cabo, wearing Ferragamo. We was going shot for shot for shot like Desperado. Snuck into the bathroom, she might be a problem. I should probably stay away. Girl, you crazy, couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, shaking, trying to keep up with you.
Hey, you're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Shy, 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 I just can't stop. You the only one I want.
You're my spicy margarita, baby. Burn my tongue, make me say.
Morning, sex me in the morning, put on a performance. I be going shot for shot for shot. She think I'm Jordan, but she screamed a ruler. My ego enormous. Feeling up your body, babe. Girl, you crazy. Couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, shaking, trying to keep up with you.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Shy, 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 I just can't stop. You're the only one I want.
You're my spicy margarita,
You're my spicy
baby.
girl.
Burn my
You're my spicy
tongue,
girl.
make me
You're my,
say.
you're my.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's hot enough.
Should I take it off?
Hell yeah, you should take it off.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's hot enough.
Should I take it off?
Hell yeah, you should take it off.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called My Spicy Margarita. It's a 32 count in dual level like this. Let me face in the back wall. First section is how to rifle. We're gonna do the rocking chair. For the rocking chair, you can add a little bit heat. So you can stand a little bit diagonal. So we do the front, center, back, center. And then with the rifle, do the key, held, turn, left. So do the step, held, turn. And then rifle to the forward shuffle, forward together, forward. Okay, this section is count. So rifle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the second section, we're gonna make a 3/4 turn right. First, we make a heel turn right with the left step back, and then another quarter turn right with the left step together. And then left rock forward, and we're gonna recover, but after that we have a single pivot count. We're gonna do the recover, and then a little bit jump back on your left foot, and then touch your right heel over your left. And then we're gonna do the jump back and heel three more times. So you do the back, heel, and then let's stay together. Okay, let's do this second section with concept. After the 4 shuffle, start with your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and okay. And then the third section, first we do the right foot New Yorker. We do the cross, recover sideways, chap, 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 and then left cross. And we make a quarter turn left with the right step back, and then let's do the quarter step back together for okay. This section is count. So after your back here, left together, start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the final section, you start with the right foot. We're gonna do a quarter turn right hip grind. So touch your left heel forward, you grind your right heel at the same time, quarter turn right, and step back on the left foot. And then right foot do the coaster step back together. And then left foot stomp forward and hold. When the hold count, you can move your hip to the front. And the very last 2 counts, we just do the sway, back, and forward. Okay, let's do this section with count. So after your closest step, now we're gonna do the right foot hip grind. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's all for a dance you do from top. Okay, let's put everything together. So start with the right rocking chair, step, heel turn, forward shuffle, heel turn, forward rock, recover, back here, back here, back here, back here, and you know the cross, recover, side shuffle, cross, quarter, close the step, right, quarter, back, close the step, stomp, hold, sway, sway. Okay, let's put everything together one more time with count. So start with the right rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for this dance, for the ending, when you near the end of the dance, you will finish the whole dance, and at the time you will be facing the back wall. So after your stomp, hold, sway, sway, you just make a sharp turn right and then stomp your right foot.